everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we are installing 2014 Lexus CT200h. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system. Okay, this one is very nice. Okay. Hi everybody, as you can see we already finished the installation. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use the system. Alright, so as you can see it's direct fit. The system, there's no gap here. It's very nice. Okay, so it's very nice, and let's start from the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with a 10.25 inches high definition screen. It's also fully compatible with the original Lexus manual. It's also compatible with the original backup camera, 360-degree camera, and the steering wheel control. Okay, as you can see when you click on the Lexus right here, you will bring you to the original manual. Alright, the original features going to be retained. Okay, so such as satellite radio and original radio, you know, and the Bluetooth, navigation. Okay, everything is going to be exactly the same as before. Okay, so you will not mess up with anything from the original system. Alright, so just one thing is worth for me to mention is the system goes through the original AUX channel, auxiliary channel. So make sure this wire is connected to the original AUX port, and then when you use the system, you just need to go to original manual right here, go to media, go to source, go to AUX. When you see this menu, perfect. There's two ways for you to switch between the original system and the new system. Okay, one way to switch to the new Android interface is just click on the screen. When you click on the screen, it will bring you to the new Android interface. Another way to switch is to hold the menu button for a couple seconds. It's right here. Hold it. Okay, and then you will also bring it to the original menu. All right, so one thing I want to tell you guys, if your car come with the rotary button, the knob, okay, like this knob, okay, then you will be fully compatible. You can also use the knob to control the screen. Okay, if your system also come with this one, you need to be careful when you use it. You need to be careful. It's also fully compatible. Okay, but this is a little bit tricky to use it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so when you use the rotary knob, you won't have this issue. All right, so if you're a mouse, but it's okay, so you can also use the touchscreen right here. Okay, let's start from the navigation first. Okay, this navigation is off now. You do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi or data to use the navigation. All right, the system comes with the US and Canada map. Of course, we can also provide with any map for any other country. You know how to use the navigation. You just need to click on the bottom right corner here. Okay, click on it, and then new edge, new road, address, and then you can just enter the address right here. The system also comes with traffic update. That means once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can get the traffic information. Okay, you can just pick up the automatically choose the best route for you. Okay, so basically how to go back to the original menu. So basically you just need to pull down a little bit from the top, or maybe just hold the use the command button right here. Okay, go menu. You will also bring you to the this interface right here. Okay, and this system also supports the Wi-Fi. Okay, so in order to use the Wi-Fi, you just need to click on the hold the Wi-Fi button right here. You just need to connect to the Wi-Fi. All right, so turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and then you can search it. All right, so another thing is once you connect to the Wi-Fi, let's say you can also go to the YouTube. This one supports the YouTube. Okay, this system also supports video in motion, so the passenger can enjoy the movie on the road trip. Okay, so under the apps, you can also go to the internet browser right here. Okay, you can also search any information on the road. Okay, so but of course you need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone. Of course, this system also supports the 4G LTE. If you have an extra SIM card, you can also connect to the unit, and then you can access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi. And of course, this way Spotify. You can also download any application from the Google App Store. Okay, we will also preload some certain kind of application for you. All right, so as you can see, it's very nice, right? And then other than that, you can also copy the movie to the unit. Okay, so for example,
I'm dealing with the future of the planet.
okay, as you can see, it's very nice. All right, so basically click on menu and then go back. All right, so this system also supports the wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. All right, so basically the Google Map here. And also another thing is that this system also supports the backup camera. This is the original backup camera right here. It also supports the steering wheel. Okay, the active guideline. All right, park. I'm gonna show you how to use the wireless Apple CarPlay now. In order to use the wireless Apple CarPlay, you will need to pick up your cell phone. The wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once you get paired, you switch to the Wi-Fi in the background. So basically, wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Wi-Fi to transfer the data, okay? So first of all, you need to connect to the Bluetooth first, okay? First of all, you need to find out the Bluetooth device name. It's Lexus 747D, okay? Of course, you need to disconnect the original Bluetooth, okay? Click on 40, pair, okay? Done, allow, all right? And then go to the home, and then go to apps, and then you can also go to the C-Link. C-Link basically is the Apple CarPlay, right? So you also need to grant authorization on the cell phone, all right? As you can see on the screen, use CarPlay, grant authorization on the cell phone. Perfect. This is wireless Apple CarPlay, okay? You can also use the knob to control it, even though it's okay. So you can also listen to the music right here, okay? You can also go to the Google Map, okay? Anything, okay? So you can also make the phone call right here. It's very nice, okay? So this is wireless too, okay? How to disconnect? For example, now I want to switch back to the Wi-Fi hotspot. I want to watch the movie, okay? How to do that? Just go to setting right here, go to search CarPlay on the cell phone, okay? Right here, okay? And then this one is the device for the new system, okay? Click on this one, turn off the CarPlay. If you are not going to connect back to the unit again, then just forget device, okay? Now you can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot and then connect to the unit, all right? This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.